Okay, a merchant bought a cask of wine for $45. So he spent $45 to buy that entire cask. Again, I always say read through the problem. It may not make sense to you, but read through it and then try to figure out what they're asking for. And what they're asking for is how many gallons were in this cask of wine, X gallons. I have no idea. All right. Unfortunately, he lost 3 gallons by leakage. And then he sells the remainder. So what he sold was he lost 3 gallons, so he sold X minus 3 gallons. Now, he says he upped the price by $1.50 a gallon. So that means the price per gallon that he paid was 45 over X, but he upped the price by $1.50 per gallon. And then he went on and said he made a profit, right? So that means he made his money back, his $45, plus some percentage. And what's the percentage? 33 1/3%. Well, that's going to be 100/3%. Well, multiply that by 100 and you get 1/3. All right. So I'm going to say I got the equation that they're talking about. I got to simplify that though. And I'm going to go through the steps that I go through. You might go through different steps. But the first thing I would do is, well, I guess I'd get a common denominator in that second factor. So it'd be 45 plus 1.5x over x. I would simplify the other side, and it's really 45 times 4/3, which would be 60. Then I'd multiply both sides by x, and I'd get this. Then I would multiply both sides by 2, because I don't like the decimal. Now when I multiply by 2, I'm associating the 2 with the second factor. This would be 90 plus 3x. 2 times 60 is 120. Then I would divide both sides by 3. Then I would multiply it out. And what do you get? 30x plus x squared minus 90 minus 3x equals 40x. Oh, I got to just do this now, right? X squared looks like minus 57x minus 90. But I'm going to check myself before I try to factor it. I see the x squared, 27. Oops, I made a mistake. It's going to be 13x. Let me do that again. I'll check it again. Again, 30x minus 3x is 27. Take away 40 minus 13. Okay, I think I'm okay. So my trouble is always factoring it, and I think I see it. I'm going to say x and x. This equals 0. And it looks like 5 and 18. 5 times 18 is 50 and 40, 90. That looks good. And 5 and 18 differ by 13. So write this over here. So x could be minus 5, or the x could be 18. It would be ridiculous, minus 5. That makes no sense at all. 18 gallons. Right over here. Thank you.